The Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Shillong International Film Festival that began on the 25th of March to the 27th of March 2026 right here at the State Convention Centre in Shillong. Well, the festival is supported by NFDC under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. Well, Meghalaya Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma graced the first edition of the festival alongside other officials including the IPR Minister Shri Lahkmen Rymbui and also the Commissioner and Secretary Vijay Kumar MYNTRI IAS and the Director of Information and Public Relations B.S. Sotliya IAS. Let's take a look at some of the highlights from the festival.
International Film Festival this year in 2026. As correctly mentioned by our guest of honor and other dignitaries, that this is something that we have been wanting to do for a very, very long time. The reasons for it are numerous. To start with, we have always felt that our youngsters are immensely talented, but they lack the platform and the ecosystem to allow them to showcase the talent that they have.
Day 1 saw the screening of the much acclaimed film Halingkhabning, The Elysian Field, directed by National Award-winning filmmaker Pradeep Kurbat.
I think this is a great stepping stone, you can say, in terms of, see, for me what is important is that what we lack is cinema culture. If we have such kind of film festival, I think the cinema culture, understanding of cinema will grow. People will understand, there are films from outside the state, outside the country, you should come watch them. I think this is the right place to come, networking, discussing cinema. Even for the new filmmakers, I think they should not miss such kind of opportunity to come, because watching films, you grow watching films. Because I always believe in one thing, I learn cinema while making cinema, So that's important for them also. You come, watch, meet people, talk, discuss, share ideas, that will help, yeah.
The Shillong International Film Festival 2026 is a curated platform dedicated to independent cinema from the 8 states of the northeast of India. The festival aims to bring forward regional voices, indigenous narratives, and socially relevant filmmaking while creating opportunities for professional exchange, skill development, and audience engagement. And Shillong, with its rich cultural heritage and growing creative ecosystem, provides an ideal context for such a festival.
I really want people to understand what is film festival, because we have panorama in the previous years, so people have started to look up to the festival. It doesn't come again. So this time they are still not very sure what kind of film they are going to screen here. But my thought on this, I want people to come and see it with their own eyes, and because filmmaking is about expressing our thoughts or opinions. Like I always used to say that. So I want them to come and connect with the films being screened here and to get the message, and maybe they can apply it to their day-to-day life.
Furthermore, the first edition of the Shillong International Film Festival sprinkle in interactive Q&A sessions scheduled after each film screening where the directors of the respective films engaged either in person or virtually with the audience. The three-day festival this year witnessed the screenings of some of the celebrated indie cinema from the Northeast and beyond, masterclasses, exciting tech stalls, student film competition, among others. Through this festival, the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Meghalaya, seeks to strengthen the regional film ecosystem and encourage emerging filmmakers, particularly students.
The various filmmakers from the region and from outside the country also, from beyond the borders, they've come and showcased their films, which is a start. And we also have, we've been showcasing and putting it across of the films that have gone by, that we have produced, our community have produced, right from, way back in 81, Riki, Lighthouse AM, black and white, and then Manik Raitong, which was the first, from our region, a colored film, feature film. So there was a lull, and of course other films are coming in, being independently produced, and people have been watching them, and being distributed from by various channels through CDs and all that. But we want to bring them in under one umbrella.
The Shillong International Film Festival initiative underscores the government's commitment to nurturing a vibrant cinematic culture within the state and positioning Meghalaya as a significant and vibrant hub for film lovers, storytellers, creators, and students, where stories come alive and creativity takes center stage.